Dr.
Yeah,
Imran.
Mr. Mehdi, uh, you please, you have one question, I think. Please let us know that what is the question you want to know, that you want to asking to me, please.
Dr. Imran, to your knowledge about the ventilation in all of the scope, like as summer ventilation, transitional ventilation, minimum ventilation with the LPV and another type of the ventilations. And also we need to the more detail and also learning about the calculations with the details. And this is need for me and other friends in this webinar and other place. And if you help us for increasing our knowledge about it, I think God help you. And this is in Muslim we say this is the zakatul ilm, or holy prophet said this is the zakatul ilm. Experiences, and I found you uh, 1 month, I think. I don't remember it. I think the 1 month, and this is my pleasure. And I found many or question from your side, and thank you for your time. Uh, and I hope you have the uh, you have the good healthy and live with us and say many things about the knowledge and about this. This is my and I think this is the our friend's request in this webinar. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Mehdi Bilgari. And you know that I think from 6 months, maybe from 6 months or more than 6 months, when I realized that, when I think that after the 50 years old age, I I realized that now it's the time for the feedback. So I convert my all program, my all thinking to this motive, to promote the livestock and poultry education to the world. Yes. First, I think that what I learned, and more than 25 years I am working in this field, especially 20 years, I did a lot of job in poultry, and 5 years I did in some other related jobs. But total the working lifespan of this cycle, this circle, is 25 years. So when I think that now it's time for feedback, then I made a lot of WhatsApp group, Doctor of Ventilation groups, for the free advices. And do you believe that there are 6, 7 groups, and that they are full with the farmers and with the students and a lot of other related to poultry peoples. They are in that groups, and you know, you believe that this that groups are open only for 1 hour. I started 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10 a.m. I started this. My advices, free advices. And during that time, uh, peoples are coming to me, and very specialist doctors in broilers, in layers, and some PhD doctors. Also, you know, my younger brother is also PhD, and he's the advisor of HICO. So a lot of PhD doctors uh, come and join us in our Doctor of Ventilation groups, and they are also working with me, and we are advising the pupils free of cost. So also we made our Facebook group, the poultry houses consultant groups, and also we made our YouTube channel Heiko Poultry Houses Consultant. So the main motive is to promote the livestock and poultry education to the world. Especially in Pakistan, there is a gap of Urdu courses, Urdu language lectures. So I made a lot of lectures in Urdu, especially. Yes, because you know 90% of peoples, they are involved in this sector, in poultry sectors, below the supervisor levels or supervisors. They are just a metric or under metrics. So because of this, I feel that there is a, Urdu lectures are required for that. So I started this, and also I made a lectures for especially the current weathers and lot of topics. And also I asked my students that send me a topic and I will demonstrate it. I will present the presentation on it. And in the last, that yes, that is my motive and my group motive. Yes, it is the goal of HICO. Yes, because this is also a matter of honor, matter of acknowledgement, and also we will, what we do that we just share our experience, our knowledge, and also it's a game of theory and practical knowledge. You know that theory is entirely different and practical life is entirely different. You don't need the formula of pressure when you are in your house and making the negative pressure and watching the negative pressure. At the time, what you do, that you will learn in your practical life. So I made a that two combinations. I my, I have my PhD doctors. They are just they have a technical theory, and I have a specialist doctors and special persons. They have only experience. They have a lot of experience, more than 20 years. So I collect all the diamonds in these groups. And what we are doing this to promote. And also now you tell me that that 4 5 topics. Yes, inshallah, I will arrange a webinar specially. But the last but not the least, my final and last advice, that please learn. You don't think that ventilation is not important in your poultry farming. It is 95% matters. Yes, because of the ventilation, there are a lot of diseases, respiratory diseases, and a lot of other diseases occurs. Yes, if your ventilation is mismanagement. And also I feel that in veterinary college, I discuss a lot of professors and the other peoples. I discussed that there is a need of a topic, special chapter of the ventilation for the new era of 2020. Yes, I recommend that there is a separate subject. There is a need of a separate subject on the ventilation, the livestock and poultry ventilation. Yes, I recommend for the separate subject. Yes, and you know that in 2020 the lot of changing in the poultry era, and the all phenomena and techniques has been changed 36 degree. So our new students, when the newcomers come in our company for the internship, I know that they don't know about the ventilation, And do you know that in poultry sciences, when people did their veterinary, DVM course, doctor of veterinary course, and then when he started in any farms, the first thing he met with the ventilation. You know, if the ventilation is okay, then you have you don't have any diseases. Yes, now I think you will save, you will secure. That's why I I will, yes, I will arrange all things, but I I ask to all peoples, if you same like you, that you are also very learned person, very experienced person. That's why I connect, I contact you and ask you that please come and share your experience. So same like me, that we share our experience to the pupils for the beneficial of the growers, for the students, and all the pupils there, those who are working in this field. And also I will tell you, it's last but not least, that everyone who is involved in the poultry farming, even he is working in the layer, he is working in the broiler, he is working in the breeder farm or layer cages farm or broiler cages farm, he must know, yes, the chill factor. Yes, in my all lectures, I also told this, that I also uh, uh, told the peoples that, okay, you must know the chill factor of the bird. What is the chill factor? It is according to the breed and age of the bird. Yes. So if he knows that what is the age of the bird and what is the chill factor, then he know very well what is the feeling temperature, what is the chill effect, and what is the feeling temperature of the bird after the 1 meter per second, after the 2 meter per second airspeed. And also the second is very important thing, that all that chill factors are reference to the outside temperature of your house. And there is a chart of outside temperatures. Yes, in the chill factor chart, there is a one thing is the age of the bird, and the second thing is the chill factor, and the third and the most important thing is the outside temperature. Yes, chill factor is depends on the outside temperature too. It's very important. So everyone, the doctors, the students, the uh, entrepreneurs, everyone should know the chill factor charts. Also, they will, I think, if they watch our videos, they have a chill factor charts, and also they have a charts of the birds production of heat chart, bird production of carbon dioxide chart, the water vapor chart of the birds. They must know. If they learn this, then I think the ventilation is very easy for them. So this is my last recommendation, and we will arrange the webinars one by one on this. So thank you very much, sir. So great. Allah Hafiz.
I hope you and other friends in this webinar have a healthy time and warm time beside your family.
So great, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Bye.
Hafiz.